Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. So Lazio for the first day is already like 2000%. Congratulations, because this is using a launchpad. So you only launchpad in the BNB and then you get a Lazio, right? For the one, we're gonna go to the 1 hour chart here. It's already 5 hour in the Lazio per USDT pair. We're gonna go to the 50 minutes here. Wait a minute, we're gonna go that point. We're gonna zoom in here. Okay, it's really flat. RSI stochastic is already really overbought position. So this is the zoom in the 5 minute, already having a cross here with the moving average 7 and the moving average 25 on the $20. So if you already get in the $100, congratulations. For the Bollinger Band here is already having a correction. Go to the pink one side here, middle band on the 20.150 US dollar. RSI stochastic still on the really natural position, not overbought, not oversold. So this is all about it. The entry right now is going up is only because of the launchpad. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.